5739, clear LS 4 out approach, maintain 160 knots.
160 knots, clear LS 4 right, Brickyard 5739.
Brickyard 5739, reduce speed to 150.
150, Brickyard 5739.
Brickyard 5739, cancel approach clearance, climb and maintain 3000, fly present heading.
Alright, cancel approach, present heading up to 3000, Brickyard 5739.
Brickyard 5739, speed your discretion, turn left heading 360. Turn left heading 360.
190 knots, 360, Brickyard 5739. Reason for going? What was the heading for Brickyard 5739?
Brickyard 5739, no problem. Turn left heading 270.
Left to 270, Brickyard 5739.
Brickyard 5739, turn left heading 230.
230, Brickyard 5739. What was the reason for going?
Brickyard 5739, you had a heavy in front of you, I needed 5 miles. The compression's pretty bad with the tailwind component, and it's just going to drop below 5 miles, so I just want to be safe.
Okay.
Brickyard 5739, just going to maintain 2000.
2000, Brickyard 5739.
Brickyard 5739, turn left, left turn heading 120.
Left to 120, Brickyard 5739.
Brickyard 5739, reduce speed to 180. Brickyard 5739, reduce speed to 170.
170, Brickyard 5739.
Brickyard 5739, reduce speed to 150.
150 for Brickyard 5739.
Brickyard 5739 is 5 for Milt, turn left heading 070. 2000, fill established, clear ILS 4 approach, maintain 160 knots to Milt.
160, 2000, 070, clear ILS 4 right, Brickyard 5739.
Brickyard 5739, increase speed 170 knots to Milt.
170 mil, Brickyard 5739.
5739, connect tower 128.8.
Yeah, we'll see, Brickyard 5739. Brickyard 5739, 4 right.
5739, Boston Airphone, Airbus 2 miles on runway 4 right, clear to land, traffic holds across the runway.
Clear land 4 right, Brickyard 5739.
Brickyard 5739, fly runway heading maintain 3000, tall vessel in the 4 right approach area.
Runway heading 3000, Brickyard 5739. We're declaring min fuel.
Next approach 133.0 and copy the minimum fuel.
Brickyard 5739, 3000 min fuel.
Brickyard 5739, turn left heading 290. 5739, turn left heading 290. 5739.
Brickyard 5739, Boston, you with me?
Yes, sir, 3000.
Brickyard 5739, Boston departure, radar contact. Come and maintain 4000, turn left heading 290.
4290, Brickyard 5739. We're min fuel.
Roger that.
How long is the final today?
Brickyard 5739, unfortunately it wasn't the final. It's a tall ship in the harbor. Last I heard it was 15 minutes. What do you need?
That won't work. We'll have to go to our alternate for 5739. I thought the tall ship was a 4,000 RVR and they're reporting 6,000.
Brickyard 5739, come and maintain 4000, heading 290.
290, 4000, Brickyard 5739.
And Brickyard 5739, when you're both, you say your alternate?
Providence, Brickyard 5739. Yeah, we don't have that much fuel for the 15-minute final when you go to Providence, Brickyard 5739.
Roger that. You want to go to Providence?
Yes, sir.
Roger. Brickyard 5739, clear to Providence Airport via heading 270, maintain 4000.
270, 4000, Brickyard 5739.
Brickyard 5739, turn left heading 240.
240, Brickyard 5739.
Brickyard 5739, traffic 2 to 3 o'clock, 3 miles southwestbound Polaris 3000.
And IMC, Brickyard 5739.
Roger. Brickyard 5739, turn left heading 220.
220, Brickyard 5739.
Brickyard 5739, disregard, heading 220. Son of 712, on main. Brickyard 5739, clear direct Providence.
Direct Providence, Brickyard 5739.
Brickyard 5739, contact Providence approach, 123.67, let them know your min fuel, please.
5739. Romeo, one min fuel.
I got 2 calling at once, American 2338, say again.
When you called us, we were getting into some pretty heavy rain, and I just wanted to confirm.
Roger. And who was min fuel?
42 diversion for Boston, min fuel we have for Romeo.
Verify this Brickyard 5739.
Yeah, I'm sorry, 5739, 4000.
5739, flight present heading, expect vector for the downwind.
Present heading for the downwind, Brickyard 5739.
Brickyard 5739, 4 miles from the final approach fix, turn left heading 080, maintain 2000 till south on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 approach.
ILS 5, Brickyard 5739.
Brickyard 5739, contact tower.
Tower, Brickyard 5739. Tower, Brickyard 5739, ILS 5.
Brickyard 5739, Providence Tower, runway 5, clear to land. Runway 5, RVR 3500.
Okay, clear to land 5, Brickyard 5739.
Brickyard 5739, base is reported 400 feet.
5739, thank you.